Everybody, you love the stock, but you don't like the current stock price because it is high. So how do you own the stock at a discount? Hey, this is Lily, and I'm a retiree trader, and I provide options training, especially to retirees, to help them to become financially independent so that they do not need to depend on their children. So basically, there are two ways to own a stock. First is to place a buy limit order for the stock at your desired strike price. And you wait and hope that the stock will drop down to the price that you desire. Scenario 2 is to sell a put at your desired strike price, collect premium for it, and you can keep the premium if the stock price does not drop down to your strike price on expiry of the contract. And you can repeat the process and continue to collect the monthly premium for your separate position. But as a seller, if the stock is eventually assigned to you, you are obligated to pay for the shares. If the stock price drops below the strike price, and even if the price is at zero. Because as a buyer, he has all the right to the contract, and as a seller, you are obligated to deliver your side of the promise. So as a seller, your obligation is to acquire the shares when it is assigned to you. So if a buyer exercises the option, what he's saying is that, hey seller, this is my shares. Take it. And as a seller, you're obligated to acquire the shares at a agreed strike price and pay for the shares, which is 100 shares for one contract. Now let's take Apple as an example. June 18, Apple last traded is 130.46, and you sell a put. And you feel that the strike price of 130 is right for you because you don't want to pay anything above that. So you sell the contract and collect a premium of 285 with date to expiry is 16 July 2021. Come 16, 20, 21 July, the price is at 146.39. This is above your strike price, so you are not assigned the shares and you get to keep the premium of 285. On July 16, you can open another sell put position at a strike price of 130 and continue collect the premium of $79 with expiry for the contract on 20 August. Come 20 August, again, the strike price is below the closing price of 148.19. So again, you are not assigned a stock and you get to keep the premium of $79. Again, you sell another separate position, but you think, hey, looks like Apple stock is not going to drop below 130. So how? I still want to own the shares. So what you can do is you may want to consider a strike price of 140 and collect a premium of 134. Select date of expiry 17 September, a month later. And by now, the premium you have collected would be $4.98 or $4.98 per share. So if you are eventually assigned the shares and you pay 140 for it, your discount is actually $4.98 per share, which brings you to a share price of 135.02 cents for the Apple share. Don't you think it is a big discount for your share? Now let's look at another example. BAC, Bank of America. We select June again, 18. Last traded, 38.78. At a strike price of 38, collect a premium of 95 for your separate position. Date to expiry, 16 July. Come 16 July, the traded price is 37.92. This is actually below your strike price of 38. So actually, you are assigned the stock and you have to pay 3,800 for the 100 shares of BAC. But your actual price per share is actually 37.05 and not 38 because of the premium that you collected front. Why? It's because as a seller, you are obligated to deliver your promise, that is, to acquire the shares. I hope I've given you value in this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like it as well, and I'll see you in the next video.